Hello everyone, myself Vaishnav. First of all, I would like to thank our beloved sir, Dr. Mahesh Shinde, for giving us this opportunity to create this report in this very interesting way. Let's move towards our introduction. First of all, I would like to introduce our teammates, Rajkumar, Ramkrishna, Neha and Vishwajit. So the topic is about plastic road. As we all know, plastic is used in our day-to-day life for in many ways. Plastic is a non-biodegradable waste, it cannot be utilized in a proper manner. From animals living in land to the organism living in water are both get affected by this plastic. But what is the solution for making plastic in our good as in for our day-to-day life? So we have found this method. The concept of plastic road was introduced by an Indian teacher, that is Raj Gopal Vasudevan. He is in Tamil Nadu. He done some experiment in his lab by saying if we add bitumen and plastic together, it gives a strong and nice fermentation for the strength. He did an experiment in his lab. He took the stones which are required for building the roads. First he took the stone in the container and heated them up to 170 degrees Celsius. Then he added shredded plastic. Then the plastic melted within the 30 seconds. After that he added a bitumen which was 160 degree hot, and the fermentation process occurred. About 1 lakh kilometer road is constructed of plastic in India in all over 11 states by his experiment. This also promotes the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan and Make in India schemes. As this road is made up of plastic, it is water resistant, and up to 10 years there is no maintenance problem comparing to the normal roads. This is the best way to use the plastic waste. Due to this work, the sir Raj Gopal Vasudevan has won the award of Padma Shri, which is the greatest of all, and he is also known as the Plastic Man of India.
Hey friends, my name is Rajkumar Gadge, G11. Now we are going to see the need of study of plastic roads. One of the highest threats to our lakes, rivers and oceans is plastic pollution. 90% of the plastic in the water comes from the land. There are a lot of single-use plastic in water, and this is the biggest threat to the animal for the animals which are living in the water. The animals can eat the plastic, single-use plastic, and or swallow in it. It make pills. It that their stomach is full and they stop eating. Because of them, they can accidentally die. Actually, plastic didn't biodegrade. It remains in environment hundreds of years, toxic microparticles. The known example of the plastic pollution is the Pacific garbage package, which is larger than the state Texas. As you can see in the image, this is the image of Pacific garbage package. As you can see, this looks like a big land, it is big around of the Texas state. And the next image is of durability of plastic of different components. The first component is a plastic cup. It can be lived along the 50 years in the nature as it is. The aluminium cup is near about the 200 years, and the nappy plastic bottle and fishing pole. Fishing pole remains in the nature as it is for the long time, as the duration is 600 years. In case of this plastic threat, we have to utilize the plastic into useful products. Lot of laboratories are doing various types of experiments in all over the world. in the trial, the mixture of bitumen and the melted plastic makes a long bond. It gives the 1.5 times more durability to that one. Studies proved that waste plastic enhances the properties of mix. Improvement in properties of bitumen and bituminous mixture provides the solution in disposal in an useful way. Now we are going to see the next topic, concept of plastic roads. The inventor of plastic roads is Dr. Rajgopalan Vasudev. He is also known as Plastic Man. This is the photo of Rajgopalan Vasudev. In the year of 2001, the dean of chemistry department of Tyagarajan University, Madurai, Tamil Nadu. Dr. Rajgopal Vasudev has been patented their invention of plastic road in the name of his university. He handed the patent free of cost to the government of India. They started with the Madurai in 2002 building the plastic roads, and now they spread up in the 11 other states of India like Maharashtra, like biggest state like Maharashtra and other cities. The next slides will be conducted by my colleague Neha Dhake.
Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Neha Dhake. I am going to tell you the construction process and the material used for the construction of plastic roads. So the material used for the construction of plastic roads are aggregate, bitumen and the waste plastic. Aggregate is the material or a structure made from a mass of fragment or a particle loosely compact together, and in which 20 mm to 10 mm of stone, dusters and lime are used as filler. The bitumen is a black color substance which is made from petrol and used for the covering of roads, and the waste plastic like cup, bottles, bags, etc. Now we are going to see how the construction process is to be done. The first of all, the plastic waste like cup, bottle, bags are to be cut it into a size between 3.36 mm to 4.75 mm using a shredded machine. The aggregate mixture is to be heated to 165 degrees Celsius, and this mixture is to be transferred to a mixture chamber amount of plastic through which we can take 10% of it. Similarly, bitumen mixture is to be heated to 160 degrees Celsius to have a good binding and to provide a to prevent a weak bond. Then the shredded plastic waste is to be mixed with aggregate mixture by which it will provide an oily look to a mixture within a 30 to 60 seconds. Then this coated aggregate mixture is to be mixed with hot bitumen. Then our mixture is to be ready for the construction. Here we can use 8 ton of roller for the construction.
Hello everyone, myself Vishwajit Palle. Our topic name is plastic road. Since in 2011, Chennai built plastic road by using 1,600 tons of plastic waste and construct 1,035 km of roads. In December 2019, India has built 21,000 miles of road by using plastic waste. Facts of plastic road: it reduces cost by 50%. For example, ordinary road it takes 3,500 crore rupees, but plastic road takes only 1,700 crore rupees. Plastic is a non-degradable material, so it can live for a longer period. It reduces need of a coal by 10%. We can recycle the plastic by using this content. Advantages of plastic road: environmental benefits. Environmental damages can be limited by eliminating the waste from our street. MSWM means Municipal Solid Waste Management. It converts plastic into compost. Part of MSW: at present only 20% of plastic MSW converted into compost. So Farmer can be used it instead of costly fertilizers. Develop the technology which is
Good morning to one and all. I'm here to tell about the disadvantages of plastic roads. Just as each and every coin has two sides, even though plastic roads are environmental friendly, they have some of their disadvantages, and these advantages will be explained by me. They are as follows. As you can see, the most of the disadvantages caused due to plastic roads are mainly because of leaching. Now, what is leaching? Leaching is just the deterioration of each and every particle component of the mixture. As plastic roads contain plastic as the main element, along with bitumen and ash, these particles in their own are very hazardous to health. Therefore, leaching of these elements can cause various harmful effects not only on people but also on the surrounding wildlife. Then the next, due to rains, during the first rains, the plastic roads develop a sticky layer over the surface. This layer is very hard. This layer reduces the friction between the road and the tires of the vehicle and may lead to accidents. Even though this layer is not that strong, or we may say thick, it may cause harmful effects in the long run. This leaching also causes the emission of harmful HCl gas, and during the long run, this HCl gas is emitted in large quantities, therefore can be very harmful for the environment. The next part is the conclusion. Even though plastic roads have their disadvantages, the advantages of plastic road outweigh its disadvantages. And if we compare plastic roads with bitumen, one of the major problems of bitumen roads is the ongoing cases of potholes. These potholes are very not only disturb the aesthetics of the environment, but also are a leading cause of accidents. Plastic roads are very good in that department. Plastic roads are very sturdy and therefore make no potholes. The next part is plastic roads are very environmental friendly. Humanity, while making progress, has caused various problems for the environment, and the use of plastic has increased drastically over the last few decades. The treatment of this plastic waste is a very important issue concerning humanity. These plastic roads may provide a very viable solution to the disposal of this plastic waste, and therefore is very environmental friendly, as well as it can be considered as a small token for all the disturbances that we have caused to the environment. And plastic roads require very less maintenance. Therefore, the economical stress can be reduced very drastically. If further research is done in this topic, it can lead to various arrays of development in the technology. These plastic roads can be considered as a stepping stone towards an environmental friendly approach towards development of technology. And with this, we would like to conclude our presentation. We would like to thank Mahesh Sinde sir for guiding us throughout this process, and also thank you dear friends for bearing with